Hey guys, it's Andy from Motos, Kids, and Coffee. I want you to help me pick where I'm going to be going on my next cross-country adventure.
Welcome to Motos, Cades, and Coffee.
Hey, good morning guys, it's Andy from Motos, Kids, and Coffee. I need your help today to help me figure out where I'm going on my next adventure. Am I going to go north? Am I going to go south? Which bike am I going to take? Am I going to take my Harley Davidson? Am I going to take my Royal Enfield? Help me figure this out.
So this is my 2019 Royal Enfield Himalayan. I have a Powertronics ECU K&N open air filter, putting out 10-15%, maybe 20% more horsepower. Tall comfort seat, Royal Enfield handlebars. They're aftermarket Royal Enfield SP Connect, and all sorts of different things. We'll get into the mods later. There's my 2018 Harley Davidson Low Rider. It has a stage 3 kit with 111 horsepower and 124 pounds of torque.
But before we decide which bike to take, let's go ahead and configure them a little bit better for travel. All right, that's it. I mean, obviously a couple more things. You got to pack everything, but Royal Enfield just has its panniers on there. They're real simple to install. Actually, I have a link that you want to check right there where I show you how to reinstall the panniers. Harley has a fairing. I'll show you how I install the fairing and handlebars on that one. There's links to those. I can put those in the description. Yeah, and there's my tall touring seat, Saddleman step up but touring, and sissy bar. So actually, one of the things we better do to help you decide where I need to go is let's start these things so you can hear what they sound like, and maybe that will sway you a little bit to figure out where I'm gonna go. So let's start them up. Little fold out. All right, time for Harley. It does sound nice. Come on now. Sound help anyone decide on which motorcycle I should take? Well, let me give some destinations on where I think I want to go, and maybe you can help me pick and you can match the bike to the destination. Where do I want to go on my trip? Do I want to go north or do I want to go south? I'm of two minds of this. If I go north, I kind of wanted to go into Canada and do a long trip up to Canada, but I don't think the borders will be open. I'm going to give myself 2 months of prep and planning time. So I'm thinking I'll go up the northern East Coast and do Maine, New Hampshire, Rhode Island, Connecticut, do some camping, some off-roading, stealth camping, and just hopefully see some sights up there. Again, a lot of off-roading focus, hopefully. It's going to be snowy, I think, so it's still going to be March time frame. The roads might be horrible, it might be bad weather conditions. So I'm leaning towards taking the Royal Enfield Himalayan if I take
that northerly route. There's not going to be a lot of foliage. There's not going to be leaves growing on the trees, but it still should be some really good sights to see. Maybe see the ocean on just some really, really nice ocean views and so forth, hopefully. If I go south, I'm thinking of heading down to Florida and having a beach vacation. I can do some camping, hopefully get some really twisty roads, Tail of the Dragon, which is something I've always wanted to do. And I'm leaning maybe towards taking the Harley. Still do some camping, but not off-roading. Be able to take my drone on both vehicles, so I could get some really good footage either way. Where should I go? Maybe you guys have some suggestions. Maybe you have some suggestions along the way, some destinations. Please drop in the comments where you think I should go. I got 2 months to plan. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to this. And I'm not sure which bike I'm going to take yet. I'll show you on the map. Let me switch to the map here on where some places that I'm really thinking of headed to. And yeah, we can do those and you can give me your suggestions. So let's switch over to the map. So where do I go? I'm in Baltimore, and if I go north, I'm thinking New York, Massachusetts, Connecticut, New Hampshire, Maine. I'm thinking I'd love to go there. I'd love to go to Nova Scotia, but the border's not open right now, so I'm thinking Maine and Rhode Island, Connecticut, doing some back roads, some camping. But I'm kind of concerned that even though the coast would be great, there's not a lot of green foliage right now. So we'll think maybe I'll do that at another time when it's a little greener. But again, I'm in Baltimore and go through Philadelphia and New York and just kind of hug the coast. Maybe I'll do that. Or I'd do that at another time where it's a little bit better and greener and more scenery to see. If I go south, I can do maybe the Tail of the Dragon. I think it's around there, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia. And where I really think I want to head up is in Florida. I go to Tampa, Orlando, Miami, even Daytona Beach. I think all those places would be pretty awesome and have like a beach vacation. Maybe ride my Harley that way. Try and find some twisties, some nice scenery there, and some good camping. What do I follow the mantra of itchy boots and go north and honor Himalayan? Do I do the $1 million Bogan and take his Harley and go south? Or maybe, I think probably the person with the biggest input would be Old Man Ronin. He's a Harley guy. He rides the Himalayan as well, too. So you should definitely check his channel out, and maybe he can give me some of his thoughts on it. But yeah, please drop a comment in the video of where you think I should go if you have some great ideas. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Enjoy your Harley. Enjoy your Himalayan.